Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best portable blenders on Amazon. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have NutriBullet Portable Blender. The NutriBullet Combo Blender is super capable, super flexible blender that makes everything from simple smoothies to savory soups and beyond. This pitcher is the ultimate countertop titan, while its portable travel cups keep you nourished on the go. The blades, cups and pitcher are designed to work together for optimal nutrient extraction. The easy twist extractor blade is made of powerful stainless steel and designed with cyclonic action. On number 4 we have Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. The Hamilton Beach Personal Creations Blender with travel lid allows you to make smoothies, shakes, dressings, small batch sauces, and more to your desired consistency and taste with simply the press of a button. This single-serve blender provides ultimate drink versatility and portability. The blending jar doubles as a detachable travel mug with lid that lets you drink straight from the jar and fits in most car cup holders. On number 3 we have Devan Portable Blender. This portable blender is built-in safety features prevent the motor from overheating and the blades from spinning when the jar isn't connected to the base. The juicer smoothie blender compact and portable design is made from BPA-free food-safe materials. It fits in most standard size cup holders. Or you can blend the drinks at home, take the cup to your office, gym or other outdoor activities. On number 2 we have NutriBullet NBR0601 Portable Blender. The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. You can load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries and spinach. Then push, twist and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. It is powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. You can simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water. On number 1 we have Supkitdin Portable Blender. The juicer extractor is designed with stainless steel blades and strong power system, pure copper motor, quick speed and long life, which can effortlessly make fruits, vegetables into smoothie within 1 minute. Only need few minutes. You can use Supkitdin Smoothie Maker to make what you want. This nutrition shakes can support you with full energy. This juicer is easy to carry and clean. You can use the cleaning brush or add water to clean it. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.